Good day, YouTubers. Walter here. I begin today's vlog with a look at this old stainless steel gas barbecue grill that I paid. I know it was $300 or $400. Didn't get 2 years out of the grill portion of it, but it's a well-constructed cabinet. We have a new gas grill around front now that's probably not much better than this one. But I'll be a repurposer, use it for everything but a barbecue grill now. It makes an outstanding work table. And I'm in the process of planning a video of disassembling this Kohler Courage engine. And my viewers that are waiting to see that, I ask you to bear with me. We are going to get to it. I got some other agenda in mind here, and I'll show you. A couple things I want to talk about today, but first, let's take a look outside here at something. Like I said, I repurpose things. Well, I got another gas grill. It ain't going to work if you don't turn on the camera, Walter. And sometime during this video, I'm going to make my little spiel about the run-in I had at Harbor Freight today. Yeah, this barbecue grill here, I was going to dump it in the trash, and I decided, no, I can use that metal. It's just a thin gauge metal. But I'm going to take my angle grinder and cut that metal off of it and then throw it out in a scrap bin when I go to the dump. Or put it out in the scrap pile. But I want those 4 angle iron legs. But what I want to do with this angle iron, I'll show you. What are we going to call this thing? Let's just call it a work stand, a work table. What I got in mind to do is to put 2 pieces of angle iron up here and a piece up here with an overhead that I can mount a light to. I went to Harbor Freight and I wanted one of those neon LED light, something similar to this overhead light here. But they didn't have any. Don't know when you're going to get it. Instead, I settled for this little work light. Got it for $19. It's regular $25 something. This is a pretty bright little light. But if I mount it on my stand right there, I can video out here at night and the camera will pick this up just fine. In fact, we could get an angle on that engine that nobody's done before. I mean, you can see it real good from this angle. If I mount the camera looking down at it, give you all a pretty good view. We're going to definitely take that engine apart. But I want to put 2 legs back there with an overhang, and then I can work my camera from either angle, as long as there's no sides on it. It's just angle iron sticking up holding the light. And you can mount the GoPro or whatever up there as well. It's just an idea of what I've been tinkering with. And I'm pretty good at coming up with projects to tinker with. Now this cabinet, like I said, it's well constructed. I got the bottom of it full of stuff like drills and saws and power tools that I don't want to have to go rooting for. And this thing is on wheels. I can roll it anywhere I want in the garage here to make my videos or to work on something. So I use it like a little workbench. Let's talk a little bit about Harbor Freight. Went over there today looking for that light. But I had all these coupons on my phone. I'll show them to you in the video here if I can think of it. I went online to Harbor Freight to get coupons, and I downloaded several coupons. These welding clamp vice grips, regular $5 or something. Just a cheap Pittsburgh brand. So I got 2 of those for like $3.99 or something. That was with a coupon. Got me a plastic hammer. There wasn't no discount. But I didn't know they rattled. I believe you could beat hell out of something with that. So I bought me one of them. That was $8 or $9. This little bracket goes with that light I was holding up. Here's the light that I held up. It says bronze corded LED work light, 1,000 lumens. They had a bigger one, it cost a lot more money, but I think 1,000 lumens. I don't know how bright it is, but I think it ought to work pretty good. We're going to give that a whirl. I got two 150 watt light bulbs. And if necessary, I can take the light fixture off this lamp back here and put a lamp in that thing up there for lighting. Got all kind of crazy ideas. Now, Bruce Bolschick over in Germany gave me a suggestion the other day online about the seat to sit on. I can't stay on my feet none too long. And it was something similar to this one right here that I bought at Harbor Freight. Just regular $27 and something. And with the coupon I got it for $19. It's not no Jim Dandy heavy duty stool, but just for rolling around here working on stuff and not have to get down on the ground. I think it'll work pretty good. Problem is I got to assemble it. I just took this down from up here. I use it when I'm picking up trash out in my yard, but I wanted to mention it to you. If you look at the end here, it's got rubber suction cups. And they're bad about falling off. What I've discovered, when the suction cup falls off, if you have one of these, just put a sheet metal screw through there and let it stick out. When this falls off, there's going to be a sheet metal screw right here as well. And I'll tell you what, you can pick up anything with that. That screw will dig right in. Anyway, it wasn't a waste of money. When it got broke, I repurposed it. I thought I'd show you that because somebody out there might have one that's broke. Now, you wasn't supposed to be up there, fella. That's about it on my Harbor Freight run. Let's see, what else was it? These little chuck bits for my impact screwdriver. But I wanted to tell you about my run-in with the guy at Harbor Freight, and I'm about to forget about it. I had this coupon for this rolling tool tray. It's got 2 layers to it, and it stands probably about yay high, I don't know, 30 inches high, I think it is. Well, I figured it'd be neat to put my tools on and roll them around to work on stuff. In fact, you probably should be able to put the whole toolbox up there if it ain't too heavy. Then you don't have to get down and bend over looking through the toolbox for your tools. Well, the coupon said $49. Another coupon, I got them both online. I said $39. So when I got in the store, I asked him, where is this cart? Oh, it's right over there. I went over there and looked, and I said, I don't see one. There it is under the shelf in them big boxes. Oh, okay, that's it? Yeah, that's it. All right. It's pretty heavy, so he loaded it in the cart for me. And I showed him the coupon with my cell phone. And I said, that's it right there? Yeah, that's it. Went on and did my shopping. Got up there to check out, and the girl wanted $99 for that card. I said, well, I got a coupon right here for $49 and one for $39. It's got to be one of these. No, it ain't neither one of them. The one you got is a $99 card. Let me talk to the manager. He comes over there and him hauls around with a half a dozen excuses. This is a different brand. And I guess it was a different brand, but that ain't what he represented it as. And they boarded my ticket, and you stand over there and wait. Then the manager will come up here. Well, he came 2 different times. Went off and started waiting on another customer over there at the cash register. And pretty soon when I caught him looking at me, I said, fella, I'm not going to go away. I'm still standing here waiting to talk to you. He came back over there. I said, which one is it? Got to be the 39 or 40. No, it ain't neither one of them. I said, okay, deducted off my ticket because they had already rung me up, but they hadn't totaled it. You don't want it? I said, hell no, I don't want it. Get the thing out of my buggy. He had to tote it all the way back down to the back of the store. But I think what it boiled down to was the coupon. He said, where did you get this coupon? I said, I got it online. but it was a mistake, and they don't want to part with that thing for that. So they play the big dummy. I'm sure I'm not the first customer in there wanting that tray for that price. When something is represented to me at a certain price, I sure ain't gonna pay $99 for it. I could have afforded the tray, but the principle of things involved. I've got a little bit of tightwad-itis, I guess. But I don't like nobody to take advantage of me. And I felt like that's exactly what he was trying to do. And anyway, he said, that's not going to happen. And that's when I said, I'll tell you what's going to happen. Get that thing out of my buggy. So I wasn't real happy with the Harbor Freight today. Let's get to checking on my wrenches. I appreciate y'all listening to me gripe a little bit. Give me your opinion on how I should mount my light above here. I figure, probably no higher than I am tall. Would be still ample room to shoot me in there with the camera and see what's going on, yet be close enough for my light to work. I wanted to put that neon light across there, which would really be cool. I got plenty of old junk angle iron around there I can come up with to do it with. Just a matter of either putting it on there with sheet metal screws or taking my wire welder over there and welding it. It don't have to be nothing pretty. I'm not going to do no fancy project. The principle in mind is all I'm looking at. It might look kind of goofy, but if it works, that's all I care. Then I can roll this table anywhere I want. Set up the project. I can roll it out in the driveway and work on stuff. I do think I need to make some more modifications on working on this engine. I think I need to put a cloth or a rag or something under there, because once we get it opened up, oil and grease and God knows what's going to come out of there. We don't want that dripping around the garage. So besides my board I got on here, we need some kind of plastic drip tray or something on there to catch all the oil and grease. Anyway, I'm just planning ahead. Y'all take care. This Pwalpar saying we'll catch you in the next video, and I do appreciate you. Subscribe to my channel, reach down there and click like. It won't hurt my feelings a bit. We'll catch y'all later. This is Walter saying, have a good evening.